XRP has retained a 4% gain in the past 24 hours despite the prevailing market-wide bloodbath. Are we going to see more consistency as such? Also, is the XRP community confident with each ruling in the SEC case? Moreover, is the SEC having a tough time in the court? Finally, are we to go with the Fox Business correspondent Gasparino on his bet with Deaton concerning a SEC win against Ripple? Stick with me guys till the end to learn more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of March. XRP is currently bucking the overall market as it remains the only token securing gains among the top 10 assets by market cap. The asset's strong position comes after the latest ruling in the legal tussle between Ripple and the US SEC, which XRP holders have regarded as bullish. CoinMarketCap data shows that XRP has retained a 3.7% gain in the past 24 hours. The rest of the top 10 assets are registering losses, with Bitcoin seeing a 1.47% decline and Ethereum down by 0.9%, while BNB has been trading flat in the last 24 hours. Seasoned analyst Egreg called attention to the favorable situation, disclosing that he remains bullish on the asset. XRP is currently trading for 39 cents as of press time. The asset's latest rally commenced in the early hours of today despite the prevalent bearish storm. The asset surged from a low of 37 cents 2 days ago to a high of $0.398 7 hours later. The last time XRP saw this price level was on February 24th. However, the asset's goal to recapture the 40 cents price territory met stern opposition from the bears, which has so far dropped it to the current price of 39 cents. XRP's short-term mission is to secure a comfortable position above the 40 cents price point. At its current value, XRP has conquered the strong opposition point at $0.394, but the asset is not out of the woods yet. It is witnessing a gradual loss in momentum as the recently engineered rally receives no support from the broader crypto market. XRP must move above the resistance at 41 cents to solidify its position above 40 cents. Nonetheless, if the asset's strength wanes, the bears could batter it below several crucial points to the first significant support, currently at 37 cents. In the long term, Egreg believes XRP has the potential to skyrocket to $27 this year. Considering his Nike swoosh pattern, the veteran analyst forecasts that the asset will likely attain this $27 price point in November of this year. This marks a 6,800% increase from its current value. Do you think this is possible? Leave a comment below, please. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty has asserted that the blockchain payments company grows more confident with each ruling in its legal battle against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. As we have said throughout, we have always felt confident about our case, and with each ruling, even more so, Alderoty wrote, surmising his views in a Twitter thread today. The latest statement from Alderoty follows Judge Analisa Torres' ruling on Daubert motions seeking to strike out expert testimony. As reported yesterday, the judge partially granted and denied motions from both parties. As highlighted, the ruling appeared to favor XRP holders significantly. Alderoty, in the thread today, touted it as a victory for Ripple as well. Notably, he is not the first to express this view. In a tweet yesterday, Mr. Huber, at Leerzite, a prominent XRP community influencer, described it as a close win for Ripple on a purely mathematical basis. However, Alderoty gives more context in his latest thread. The Ripple attorney noted that the court struck out SEC expert testimonies on the expectations of XRP purchasers and what drove the price of XRP. Conversely, Ripple's expert testimonies on how its contracts do not meet the requirements of the Howey test, the tax treatment of XRP, the accounting treatment, and currency experts on XRP remain. Consequently, it appears that while the SEC's arguments that XRP is a security have taken significant blows, Ripple's case remains strong in the eyes of the judge. Unsurprisingly, Judge Torres' release of the latest ruling has sparked more speculation on when the judge could release her ruling on summary judgment motions. As reported yesterday, attorney John E. Deaton, who represents thousands of XRP holders as a friend of the court in the case, noted that he does not expect any significant delays. Alderity, in the past, has disclosed that it is possible for a ruling to come by the end of the month, aligning with previous predictions from attorney James K. Phelan, who has followed the case closely. However, the next ruling will likely be on omnibus motions seeking to seal materials related to summary judgment motions. This is one to watch out for, as it will decide if the public will finally gain access to the controversial Hinman documents. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about Dexpool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider. Known as a market maker, it's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use Dexpool. Automatic compounding refers to a blockchain asset management protocol, which uses optimization techniques and data analytics to automatically combine rewards and achieve the highest possible compound interest rate. These protocols reinvest in LP users' returns or participation, usually one or more per day, to maximize APY. It is important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through Dexpool. In addition, the benefits of this type of long-term investments are numerous. First, because you are getting rewards while your cryptocurrencies remains in staking. Then, because decentralized platforms being based on blockchains coordinate cryptoasset trading on a large scale and among many users, and do it entirely through automated algorithms. Dexpool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Moreover, in a tweet today, Ripple Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse took a swipe at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Garlinghouse's tweet comes as the SEC has taken several hits in the courts this week. Responding to a summary of Judge Analisa Torres' latest ruling in the SEC case against Ripple provided by Stuart Alderity, Ripple's general counsel, Garlinghouse wrote, "It's only Tuesday, but shaping up to be a not-so-great week for the SEC, this ruling, Voyager, Grayscale." As reported today, Judge Torres' latest ruling on Daubert motions seeking to strike out expert testimony indicates that while the SEC's arguments that XRP is a security have taken significant hits, the Ripple case appears to hold strong in the eyes of the court. Consequently, Alderity let slip that the blockchain payments firm feels more confident about a favorable ruling on summary judgment motions. As highlighted by the Ripple chief, the SEC has had it tough this week in U.S. courts. For one, a U.S. bankruptcy court also overruled the agency's objection to Binance US's bid for Voyager assets. In addition, judges appeared to side with Grayscale in its appeal of the SEC's rejection of its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund application. As reported by Reuters, judges questioned why the same fraud protections were sufficient to approve futures-based ETFs but insufficient to approve Grayscale's spot ETF application. While the SEC has ramped up its crypto enforcement actions in what appears to be an attempt to form the equivalent of a stranglehold on the nascent market, recent trends indicate that industry participants are getting their voices heard in court. The SEC case against Ripple over whether XRP is a security has run for over 2 years. Alderity has suggested that the case could receive a summary judgment ruling by the end of the month. Now to the big question of the day. Are we to go with the Fox Business correspondent Gasparino on his bet with Deaton concerning a SEC win against Ripple? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Fox Business senior correspondent Charles Gasparino has bet attorney John E. Deaton that the United States Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, would win in its case against Ripple. This happened on an episode of Claimant Countdown aired this week. Notably, both parties bet a steak dinner on the outcome of the extended legal battle. Gasparino expressed that the general sentiment is that the regulator would win the case in light of Sam Bankman-Fried's alleged fraud and the collapse of his crypto empire. According to Gasparino, in light of the recent collapse, it would be bad optics for a judge to be on what appears to be the side of crypto. "I think the SEC is gonna win, and I tell you, it's gonna be a bad day for crypto," the Fox Business correspondent asserted. Deaton responded, "Okay, we can bet dinner on that." On the other hand, Deaton, who represents thousands of XRP holders, maintains that he expects the SEC to lose at summary judgment, but still, he does not expect an outright win for Ripple. I think the SEC is going to lose, but that doesn't mean Ripple's going to get an outright win either. Recall that the attorney, in a past analysis, had asserted that the only victory the SEC would get in the Ripple case is that the blockchain payments company offered XRP as an unregistered security from 2013 to 2017, expecting the blockchain payments firm to pay a fine at most for this. The debate comes as we approach the final ruling in the case over whether XRP is an unregistered security. Deaton has asserted that the ruling could come any day in the next few weeks. As reported, Ripple has touted Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling on Daubert motions as a victory for XRP holders. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderete has implied that the ruling served a significant blow to the SEC case, while similarly implying that it reflected the strength of the Ripple case. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.